Om Sahanavavatu Sahanau Bhunattu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavaditamastu Mavid Vishavahe Om Shanti 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 Bolo Shri Shimanandamai Ki Jai Jai Ma. Today we are making Kala Chana with Pudina and hara dhaniya gravy. It's very delicious and Bharti makes it very well. So she will be cooking, I'll be filming. So you see how she's making the whole thing. And then the roti is made with little masala in it. And she will just bind the atta and show you the dough. She'll knead it and show it to you. So first we'll make the kala chana with mint and coriander gravy.
Jai Ma.
Now you switch on the gas, put your utensil. Oil. Oil and ghee, mix the two. Dono andar daliye. And then you put all the masalas. Jeera, ajwain, tejpatta, all the khada masala, whole cloves, then cinnamon, then you put a lot of adrak and hari mirchi, green chillies and ginger, and then saute. Now she has grated tomatoes. Okay, we've grated the tomatoes. How many tomatoes?
3.
3 tomatoes. Okay, and we've taken 1 cup of kala chana. We soaked it overnight. And in the morning you drain the water and pressure cook it. Now the tomatoes go in. It's a grated thing, okay? And go on stirring. In the meantime, we've kept the pressure cooker ready with the chana, the kala chana. So in the morning you drain the water and then you cook it in the pressure cooker. Keep the flame on high. Now you grind the hara dhaniya and pudina, mint and coriander. Wash it, we washed it nicely, and now you put it in the mixer and just grind it with a little water. Make a paste. Now see, this is the coriander and mint watery paste, okay? This is how it's done. Then, come back to the gas. And you have to go on sauteing and let it cook till the oil separates from the tomatoes. Now see, the tomato is done. The oil has separated and is done. So now she's putting all the sukha masala. First is dhaniya powder, then mirchi, red chilli powder, as hot and spicy as you want, okay? Then little turmeric, haldi powder, thoda sa. And then you put in chana masala. You see, you get these ready packets of chana masala without onion, garlic, you get them. And they're really good. So take that. Put 2-3 spoons of it. It will taste good. Yeah. And then you throw in that paste that was ready. the mint and coriander paste. After this is done, then you open your pressure cooker. Salt, salt. It smells so good. Delicious it smells. खा के देखना, तब आपको पता चलेगा कितना स्वादिष्ट है. सब बढ़िया बढ़िया खाना दे रही हूँ मैं आपको. अभी जब सुबह आप प्रेशर कुकर करते हैं ना, तो रात को जो व्हाट यू हैव सोक्ड ओवरनाइट, चना जो भिगोया है, वो पानी आप फेंक दीजिए और दूसरा पानी लीजिए, साफ पानी उसमें, और फिर प्रेशर कुक करिए. देखिए ऐसा हो जाएगा पानी में. ठीक है, रात वाला पानी नहीं लीजिए. चेंज द वाटर इन द मॉर्निंग एंड देन प्रेशर कुक इट. Now put all your chanas there. With the water you have to throw it in and go on stirring. Then put a little bit of curd. It tastes good. With the curd, just 1 tablespoon you can take. A little more than that also will do. And done. Now we are making the dough. Okay, the atta for the roti with the chana. So she's taken 1 cup of, a huge cup of atta, gehu ka atta, wheat flour, and then she's putting in ajwain. Then mirchi adrak paste, ginger and chilli paste, then salt, then oil, then you have to mix it a little bit and then put little bit of curd. See, she's taking the water also of the curd and the curd. And go on mixing it. And then put water and bind it. Go on putting little water, as much as you need, and then bind it. And once she has done the whole process, you keep it, rest it for a little bit, for 10 minutes or so, and then make the roti, which we will show you how to make the roti. Just now she's binding it, okay? Now she's bound the loaf, the atta, I'm saying loaf, atta, and then you put a little oil in your palm and just cover it with that. The dough has to, the consistency is as thick as roti, like when you bake roti. Now leave it to rest for 10 minutes. Now she's making the roti and showing you. Okay, you take some dry atta and just do it like how you do a roti, just regular. And it's not very thin, okay, it's a little thicker. Thoda mota roti hota hai ye. And then put it on your tawa. Those little specks you see, that's ajwain, and that adrak mirchi paste. That's it. See the football? And your roti is done. And you put it in your serving plate with your chana and apply ghee on it. And see, you can serve it with either mirchi, like green chillies, or some kachumber or something. That's it. So hope you like it, enjoy it, try it and let me know. Om sahana bhavatu sahana bhunaktu sahaviryam karvavahe tejasvinavaditamastu ma vidvishavahe. Om shanti shanti shanti. बोलो शिशिमानंदमयी की जय। आज का भोजन बहुत बढ़िया। जय माँ।